out the flowers there. This is going to be one of the new images as well. I wanted to make it so it was kind of faded and you could add in journaling. And then here's one of those pockets, a new image that will be coming in the update. I thought it'd be fun to maybe just make a pocket here and then stick something underneath. So that is a little preview of, you know, some things that I've been working on behind the scenes as well. And yeah, I'm so excited to get going on this project to show all of you. Here's another little collaged, you know, I kind of added to that. Here's one of those 49 and Market laser cut pieces, as well as this. Those are wonderful. I will be getting more of those as well because I find I'm using them a lot. So there's a lot that I've been working on. This is one of the parts of the pocket that I cut from one of the new images as well. Lots going on behind the scenes, and I just wanted to kind of take a moment to show all of you everything that I have in the works. And so yeah, it takes time to think of this stuff and put it all together, but when it's all put together, yeah, it's just kind of one of those things where, you know, you work on it and you break things down, but when it's done, it is a masterpiece. I mean, it's a true masterpiece. Yeah, I'm working very hard on a number of things, and it's getting there. I hope to have the video to start this as soon as I have the rest of that collection done and the update sent to you, because I want you to be able to create with everything that I'm using. And I got all the new 49 and Market product is now loaded on the site, so that's done. The kits, you'll be getting those in the next few days, and then yeah, I will be back in the studio and we can start this file folder project. All right, I hope all of you enjoyed this video. It went in a lot of different directions, but it gives you hopefully some insight into everything. There's so much more too, because I don't even go into the technical stuff as far as loading product on the site, taking pictures, writing or getting the descriptions put in, ordering, inventory. There's so much to it. I hope you love this video. I hope you got some ideas from our little collage exercise that was not planned, and you got some fun insights into how I do some of the packaging and a little preview of the kits and so forth. So again, if you like these videos, please take time to just hit the subscribe button and the like button so my videos get put out there. If you do like what you see, I try very hard to come up with ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back soon with another video.